And now the last of our 5 for that core and that back health. We're going to come over into our 4-point position, hands and knees. This is called the bird dog. You want to have your hands right under your shoulders. You want to have your knees right under your hips. Sometimes you have to use a mirror to make sure that they're squared off. From this position, once again, remember, you need to keep neutral, so find that neutral space between your ribs and hips. Brace, tightening those abdominal muscles, and then slowly lift one hand, pushing it or punching it to the front, holding it, keeping everything squared off and neutral and braced, and then bringing it back down. Once again, holding for that 5 to 10 seconds. We'll do the other arm the same way, alternating side to side, holding that breath, holding that neutral, holding that brace, and bringing it back down. Now you might move on then to doing the legs in the same way. You're going to push back, flexing the foot, keeping that body parallel, squared off, and braced, holding for 5 to 10 seconds while breathing, and then bring it back in. And you'll do the same thing with the other leg. Push back through the heel, try to keep that brace in mind, try to keep neutral pelvis in mind, neck in alignment, and back down. If you want to advance, the next level would be opposite arm and leg pushing together. So you punch out with one arm, push back with one heel, brace and hold, once again for that 5 to 10 seconds, and then bring it back in to alternate with the other side. Any one of these variations should be done in about 8 to 10 reps, each one holding 5 to 10 seconds, keeping that neutral spine, keeping that engaged or braced abdominal wall, front and back. And if you practice not only the breathing as well as the bracing, you'll find that every exercise you do will be done with better form and alignment.